Haka arpun tarik Nailur ke St. Anthony's High Secondary School, ke play ke computer laboratory Bathymmai, haka Iingmaw badang shna shen, ke badon syndah ke mini stadium. Haka jingialang play balyngkot, Rev Phadar Anthony Kkharkongor principal, ula batai ke jingthmu bat jingkordor ke kor computer haka ni ke pateng. Day na kani ka daw, ba kani ka skul, ka shim Khia ban pynbiang na ka bynta ki jingdonkam jong ki khynnah skul, ban pynkhreh ki kat kum ka jingtulun bat jingkala ka por ulaong. Ulaong ka jingtbit bat ka jinglang jingtip lengba ki computer, kalong ka babaha bat ka kintiu ya ka perkhat perdan jong ki beriu ha kani ka juk. Day ban nang ban penon kami kini ka jing start technology jong kani ka juk ulaong. Ke Dr Ampareen ke menteri ke tanat ke kuat ke Khia ke baladon lang ke ni ke sengi kalau ong bagi komputer ki dei ki lat ki lenti ban penyar ye ke jingnang jingtip jong ki khynnah kini ki kor ken penlong ye ki khynnah jong ni ke juk ban yeng hala ki jong ki kejat ha ki lat kamai kaji ban ap kemang tang na sarkar ha kini ke sengi play ke komputer lab Bathymmai ladon lang ki noi kai bet ki khynnah skul ke bla pen pau ya ke jingkemen ban yo kat kini ke lat ha kini ke skul.
This computer lab represents our commitment to providing students with cutting-edge technology and resources. It will certainly enable our students to develop essential skills in computer literacy, access vast educational resources, enhance their digital literacy. Yesterday we had the Meta. I do not know how many of you know the form of Meta. It is in connection with AI. Most effective Meta technology available. In simple terms, media, electronics, technology, and arts. So we had a long discussion yesterday with regard to how to handle the advancement of these technologies. And India is moving towards digitalizing the whole country. I was talking to the floor. Whether you accept it or not, it is a fact, it is a reality that we have to teach young people how to handle technologies and use them in the proper manner. They are not bad to us. It goes out of control when we misuse the technologies. Time will come when we will not use even textbooks anymore in the classrooms. If you go outside India, in Hong Kong for example, I've been there 8 years. Class 3 classroom, they are all using the tablet and computers in the classroom. They didn't have textbooks like we in India were using.
We would like to prepare a new generation of minds that will ignite the impossible. We are tired of looking at generations of citizens who are becoming dependent on the government. Do not depend on the government, but explore through the various skills that you are learning in your classrooms what your employment status will be. Today, many young Meghaliyans are job creators. They are now what we call the engines of growth. So many varied opportunities are available for our young citizens. You just have to have a mindset that will make you fit into your situations as and when the time demands. On behalf of the Honorable Chief Minister and the entire government, we congratulate you, Father, for the commendable efforts that you put in to change the mindset of the people of the state of Meghalaya. Continue to ignite these minds and direct them to a situation where it will be a people who will generate income for the people, not the government alone. This dependency on government to generate employment is going to be a boon to our communities. We look forward to working and shaping our future together. Thank you, all of you. Khulay Shibor, Mithila, and Jai Hind.